Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by combining prerequisites with the first actionable steps. Install Python 3, 10 plus, pip, and create a virtualenv so dependencies stay clean. Once done, focus on core language skills, data types, functions, and simple OOP, because AI rests on robust coding. Make sure to write tiny scripts that read CSVs and plot results. This builds habits. Transition quickly from tutorials to hands-on tasks, so you convert passive knowledge into repeatable skills that scale into AI workflows. Once comfortable with syntax, expand into the middle work. Learn NumPy and pandas for efficient data handling because models fail when data is messy. Then pick PyTorch or TensorFlow and implement a simple classifier to understand tensors and gradients. Make sure to use Git, write unit tests for data pipelines, and keep reproducible notebooks. This prevents wasted time. As you iterate, profile performance and refactor bottlenecks so your experiments stay manageable and repeatable. To finish, scale and deploy. Optimize models, use batching and a GPU or cloud instance when needed because training small locally doesn't prove production readiness. Once done, package the model into a REST API or use TorchServe and monitor metrics to detect drift. If things go wrong, isolate the failing component and reproduce the error with minimal data. This speeds debugging. Finally, iterate on hyperparameters, pipelines, and tests until performance and reliability meet your target.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.